Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Audi Q7 cabin air filter easy guide. Open the glove box and remove the stops. Lower the box, locate the filter housing behind the glove box, unclip the cover, slide out the old filter, inspect the housing, insert the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing inward, reseal the cover, lift the glove box back into place, and test blower operation. Start by confirming you have the correct replacement filter and simple tools, then park on level ground with the engine off. Open the glove box, squeeze the sides to release the stops, and lower it gently. Shine a flashlight into the pocket area to view the rectangular filter housing cover. Remove any clips or screws holding the cover, then carefully pull out the old filter to inspect for debris or mold. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more how-to guides. On another note, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it effortless to keep dust at bay while you work on maintenance. It's a small time saver and a clean home bonus after car chores. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the old filter removed, inspect the cavity for leaves, dust, or rodents and wipe clean with a soft cloth. Insert the new filter showing the correct airflow arrow orientation toward the interior HVAC blower. Make sure the filter sits flush without bending, then clip or screw the cover back into place. Raise the glove box back into its mounts and test the fan at low and high speeds to confirm airflow and absence of rattles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.